Hey guys, this video is for those that are looking for the hinge on a Lexus TX350. I own the luxury package, but I believe it's the same for the base, premium, and luxury. There is no need for drilling or anything like that. Just 4 bolts and you're good to go. So I was able to find, because there's nothing online about the Lexus TX, the aftermarket, the hinge. And I knew it's the same platform as the Toyota Grand Highlander. And this is gonna be the description. It's the Curt 13519. I will leave the description below so you can buy on Amazon. That's where I got it from. It comes with the bolt here. Okay, so it comes with the full 4 bolts, and it requires a wrench, the socket 19 millimeters, and torque wrench, and sunglasses. So I have it there, and we're ready. Let's go. All right, let's start. We gotta first remove these little pieces, which is this plastic. It has 2 on this side, the driver's side, and the other 2 are gonna be right here on the passenger, which is this one right here. One up, and the other one is here. There we go. All right. So, this one. The best thing, if you buy or sell, this is how I did it. I hold it with one of my tights, and then now we're going to the other side. So I was able to have that one done, this one done. So I start the one towards the front of the car first, then towards the rear on both sides. it's a little tricky to install, but I was able to do it. Now we're gonna do the other side. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. This is what I have a light here. Pretty easy. Woo. Almost. Alright. So now Dot Ranch, it says, I believe it's 86 foot of pounds. So I'm gonna go here. Then I'm gonna go 86. It's 80. 86. There you go. There you go, guys. So this is a very low profile hinge. I installed it with the purpose of installing my bike rack, no towing, so I don't have the wiring in. I don't know, and I don't recommend towing a trailer with this. I'm not sure, you gotta double check with the manufacturer. But for a bike rack, this is perfect. I think it was $250 and easy fix. Let me show you how. Again, so there's the two bolts here, 1, 2, and 2 on the other side. And this one, it says 5,000 pounds, but I don't know if those 4 bolts can handle that. My intention is just the bike rack, so for me it's fine. Now we're gonna check the kick sensor if it works. Let me grab the key. Let's kick it. Perfect, no issues. Now it's open. Beautiful. All right.